Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes how to increase file transfer speed to USB flash drive. First method is Open File Explorer. Right-click USB drive, click Format, Format with NTFS. Second method is Open File Explorer. Right-click USB drive, click Properties. Click Hardware tab, select USB drive, click Properties, click Change Settings. Click Policies tab, check Better Performance. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.